So, welcome to Virtual School by Telecom Guru. Hope you all are doing well. Actually, as I promised earlier, I'm starting this series of Virtual School with very basic micro learning videos, and I'll talk about marketing, sales, telecom, new technology, digital, and the purpose of these micro learning school on Virtual School by Telecom Guru is basically to provide you the basic knowledge, mainly to students, learners, new people who are coming into business, or even for professional also. So I'll just share the basic information and how it is going to implement in the practical working scenarios. That's it. But it will be very useful for all of you. So let's start our journey. So in series 1 from the Virtual School, we will talk about customers. For few days there will be different topics related to customer. Today's topic is what is the difference between customer and consumer. This is something which is important to know. The whole business life cycle, the whole ecosystem of the commercial and marketing is dependent on the customers and dependent on these differences also. So who are the customer? The customer is the individual business organization which buys the product or service offered by a business via a financial transaction or monetary exchange. So in brief, customer is the buyer of the product or service. For example, if you buy a mobile phone and give it to me as a gift, you are a good customer. Or a father buying a chocolate bar, which you can see on the right hand side, and giving to his kids, the father is a customer. This is from the definition perspective. Who are the consumer? Consumer is the end user who consumes or uses the product or service. So you can see the father bought the chocolate bar and son is enjoying the chocolate bar, who is the end user, who is the consumer. Have a look at this picture, it will give you further idea about it. So we have come to know about the difference between customer and consumer. What are the learning outcomes? The customer and consumer are not always the same. In few cases, they are different. This is something which we need to understand. So there are three categories basically. The number one is customer and consumer can be the same people. Number two, consumer or customer is buyer but not a consumer. And number three, consumer and user who is not a customer. So these three categories, they are the basis of the whole marketing and sales ecosystem. If you look for the example, I just want to tell you, the manufacturers, they produce or they manufacture the product. It goes to retailer who are the customer of the manufacturer, and then at the end the consumer, they buy it or they get it from another customer and they use it. So this is something which is important to understand. So what are the conclusions? So now we know the difference between customer and consumer, but why it is important to know the difference? This is something which is, in my opinion, is the core of the whole video. Because as a business owner, as a marketer, as a seller, you need to plan your strategy according to your target segment of customer and consumer. If you are targeting a customer who is a consumer also, if you are targeting a consumer who is only a consumer, or if you are targeting only a customer, your marketing plan, your sales strategy, your research, customer experience, loyalty, customer value management, and so many other areas will be completely different. Doing a research for a consumer, doing a research for a customer plus consumer, it is different approach. And that's why it is very important to understand these differences. It will help you to plan your strategy. It will help you to do your marketing plan or sales strategy. So we know the difference and we know that why it is important. Thank you very much. I will come up with another video related to customer. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel and keep connected with me. Thank you very much.